Hi! In front of me is Google Pixel 5a, and today I would like to show you how you can add event to calendar on this Google. Begin by locating calendar app. When you find it, click on it. Then tap on the month above and pick a date by clicking on the chosen one. Now you can create your event by tapping over here twice or selecting this plus icon at the bottom right corner and clicking on event from the list. From here you can finally adjust it however you wish to. For example, add a title. Now you can click on event section, tap on one of those options, or even change your email address if you have more than one Gmail account. Following that, pick starting hour and starting date. Save all of those informations by choosing OK. Or disable this feature completely by tapping on this switcher next to all day. Then click on Does Not Repeat and click on one of those options if you want your event to repeat like every year. You can also set up custom and adjust it perfectly. Then click on Done at the top right corner. If you change your mind, you can always click on Repeats and tap on Does Not Repeat. Now scroll down, add people, videos, and even choose Add Location. Then click on While using the app or only this time. Type in an address and click on the correct result. Then set up notifications minutes, hours, or weeks before your event, or just click on Custom and adjust it. Then save it by choosing Done. Lastly, take some notes, add attachments, and even change color. Finally, click on Save at the top right corner. As you can see, my event was successfully created. You can always make some changes by clicking on it, tapping on this pen icon at the top right corner, and changing whatever you wish to. To discard your changes, click on this X at the top left corner and choose Discard in the pop-up. In order to save them though, click on Save. You can always delete your event as well by clicking on it, but this time selecting those three dots at the top right corner. Now click on Delete option at the top and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!